Welcome, dear viewers, to an exploration of the transformative world of glass wall partitions. Get ready to embark on a journey where style meets functionality, and where spaces are reimagined with a touch of modern elegance. Join us as we dive into the art of creating open yet intimate environments, allowing natural light to dance through while defining spaces with a dash of sophistication. Whether you're a design enthusiast or simply curious about the possibilities, we're thrilled to guide you through the beauty and versatility of glass wall partitions. So, let's step into a world where transparency and innovation come together to shape the way we live, work, and create. Let's begin. Modern glass wall partitions have become a popular design element in contemporary interior spaces, offering a balance between openness and privacy while allowing natural light to flow through. Here are some modern glass wall partition ideas to consider. Frosted or etched glass partitions. Frosted or etched glass adds a touch of privacy while still allowing light to pass through. These partitions can have intricate patterns or simple lines, contributing to a modern and sophisticated aesthetic. Frameless glass partitions. Frameless glass partitions create a seamless and minimalistic look. The absence of visible frames enhances the feeling of open space and modern design. Sliding glass partitions. Sliding glass partitions provide flexibility, allowing you to open up or close off spaces as needed. They are particularly useful in creating adaptable layouts for larger rooms. Colored glass partitions. Colored glass adds a vibrant and contemporary twist to your interior. You can choose from a variety of shades to match your overall color scheme. Double-sided glass partitions. These partitions are glass on both sides, providing a clear view through while still creating a visual separation between spaces. This is perfect for areas where you want to maintain a sense of connection. Industrial-style metal framing. For a more industrial or loft-like look, consider using metal frames for your glass partitions. The contrast between the metal and glass can create a stylish and edgy atmosphere. Integrated blinds or curtains. Some glass partitions come with integrated blinds or curtains. This gives you the option to control privacy and light as needed, adding functionality to the aesthetic appeal. Curved glass partitions. Curved glass partitions offer a unique and artistic touch. They can soften the overall design and break away from the traditional straight lines. Printed glass partitions. You can have custom designs, patterns, or even images printed onto glass partitions. This allows for personalization and can serve as a striking focal point in your space. Glass partition walls with built-in shelving. Combine function with aesthetics by incorporating built-in shelving into your glass partitions. This creates storage space while maintaining an open feel. Transom windows. Adding transom windows above glass partitions allows light to flow freely between spaces while providing an additional architectural element. Textured glass. Textured glass partitions add visual interest and diffusion of light. There are various textures available, from wavy patterns to geometric designs. Acoustic glass partitions. If sound isolation is important, consider using acoustic glass that helps reduce noise transmission while maintaining a modern look. Minimalist metal grids. Thin metal grids can be added to the glass surface, creating a modern aesthetic reminiscent of the classic industrial-style partitions. Multifunctional partitions. Incorporate additional functions into your glass partitions, such as writing surfaces, whiteboards, or blackboards, for added utility. Modern glass wall partitions play a pivotal role in contemporary interior decor, offering a dynamic blend of aesthetics and functionality. These partitions seamlessly integrate into the design, fostering an open and visually spacious environment. Remember that the choice of glass partition design should align with your overall interior design theme and the functionality you're aiming to achieve in your space. Whether you're going for an airy and open atmosphere or a more segmented layout, modern glass partitions can be a versatile and stylish solution. Before you go, dear viewers, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, sharing this video with friends and family, and of course, subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Your engagement fuels our passion to keep creating, so thank you, and remember,